So no sir. The next is ID OR vulnerability. Identify parameters in the URL. In your system or Alturo, mutual look for URL parameters such as tayo sa Loopsuit. The next proxy, open browser. So punta sa test file or Alturo. Off. So natin dito C proximate. The next is punta sa view accounts. Then dito. Ay hindi. Punta tayo sa 2. Savings. Dito. Savings. So, on natin to. And then, tayo sa savings. So, list account 80,000 tapos 2. Then, palitan natin siya ng next. Modify the parameter, change the ID value to another users. So, ito yung papalitan natin. Then, forward the request and see who can access another profile or data. So, palitan natin to. Yung natin 3. So, dito, itong 2 savings. So, dapat magiging checking siya. Then, forward. So, yun, checking naging 3 siya. Then, try natin sa savings. Savings, dapat magiging savings to. Okay. Select. Bakit? Lock muna natin. Tayo sa 3. And then, on. Tayo sa 2. Yun natin 3. Apply. Then, forward. Yun, naging 3 siya dito. Pero dito, 2 pa rin. Siguro natin 3. Ito off. natin. Yun. Enter na siya dito. Savings. Try natin dito. Sa 3. On natin. Try natin tong 2. So, dapat pupunta siya sa savings. Then, forward. Yan, puntang savings. Pero dito, 3. So, gawin natin 2. Yan. Then, next, gawin natin 3. Ay, hindi. Ito, 2. Tapos, ay, ulit na. Check mo siya sa 3. Pero dito to. 3. And, yun. Then, show na naman yung authorized data. Skill din. So, this is an example of an IDR vulnerability that it happens when server trusts user input in the URL without verifying if the current user is allowed to access the specific data. Attackers can easily manipulate the ID, value, and view, edit, or even delete other users' data. To prevent these, developers need to implement authorized checks on server side. Never rely only on what front-end shows. Always verify that the login user has the right to access. Burp suit and then device. This is another vulnerability. There's no proper access control, allowing attackers to view or modify others' data just by changing the ID. Always check user permissions on the server side, not just front end. So, yun lang.